Its coat, a rich tapestry of gold and black, is as unique as a fingerprint, each rosette a mark of individuality. Its gaze, piercing and intelligent, reflects a keen awareness of its surroundings, a mind constantly calculating, observing and adapting. The Jaguar's physique is a testament to its predatory prowess. Muscles ripple beneath its sleek coat, hinting at the explosive power contained within. Its legs, thick and powerful, can propel it forward with astonishing speed, while its paws, armed with razor-sharp claws, are capable of both a delicate touch and a crushing grip.